Tesla is caught in the middle of a political firestorm, and it could cost American electric vehicle makers dearly. With trade tensions escalating, retaliation could hit Elon Musk's empire hard. And in a surprising twist, while Donald Trump is publicly praising Tesla, the company is privately sounding the alarm to his administration. What's really going on? Let's break it down. Tesla, the world's leading electric vehicle manufacturer, has issued a stark warning to the U.S. government. The company fears that new tariffs imposed by the Trump administration could trigger a backlash from other nations, ultimately hurting American exporters, including itself. This warning came in the form of an unsigned letter sent to the U.S. Trade Representative, outlining concerns over the downstream impacts of trade policies designed to counteract unfair trading practices. The letter points out that while these tariffs may be aimed at protecting U.S. industries, they could ultimately lead to countermeasures from foreign governments that would make it harder for American companies like Tesla to sell their products internationally. The timing of Tesla's warning couldn't be more ironic. On the same day that the company issued this letter, former President Donald Trump was at the White House, lavishing praise on Tesla and even considering buying one of its high-performance models. As cameras rolled, Trump enthusiastically admired a Tesla displayed on the White House lawn, boasting about its remarkable speed, 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2 seconds. "Are you going to buy one?" a voice asked. "The one I like is that one," Trump responded, pointing to a Tesla model in front of him. But beneath the fanfare, Tesla's stock is struggling. After an initial surge following Trump's election win, the company's stock price has taken a nosedive, losing nearly half of its value since peaking in December. Now it's back to pre-election levels, raising concerns among investors and analysts alike. For a company that once seemed invincible, this decline is alarming. Investors are now questioning whether Tesla's golden era is over, or if this is simply a rough patch caused by external factors such as trade policy and global economic uncertainty. Many analysts believe that Tesla's aggressive expansion into new markets, combined with increasing competition from other automakers, has also played a role in its declining stock performance. Rivals such as Ford, General Motors, and emerging Chinese electric vehicle makers have been chipping away at Tesla's market dominance, offering more affordable and competitive models. At the core of Tesla's concerns is the fear that foreign governments will retaliate against Trump's tariffs by imposing their own restrictions, ones that could hurt American automakers trying to sell their vehicles abroad. The European Union and China, two of Tesla's largest overseas markets, have previously responded to U.S. tariffs with their own trade barriers. If that pattern continues, Tesla could face higher costs or reduced access to these key markets, potentially putting billions of dollars in revenue at risk. Additionally, Tesla relies on a complex global supply chain, sourcing key materials such as lithium, cobalt, and nickel from multiple countries. Any disruptions to international trade could make it more expensive to produce batteries, further squeezing the company's margins. And it's not just economic uncertainty shaking Tesla. Elon Musk's controversial political stance is turning away customers. His role as Trump's government efficiency czar and his increasingly vocal far-right leanings have sparked backlash, alienating potential buyers. Musk has repeatedly used his platform on social media to weigh in on politically charged issues, from endorsing conservative candidates to making inflammatory statements that have angered progressives. As a result, some environmentally conscious consumers who once saw Tesla as a symbol of clean energy innovation are now reconsidering their support. Sales data paints a grim picture. In the U.S., Tesla's numbers have taken a hit, with industry experts suggesting Musk's polarizing image is driving some customers away. And in Germany, the situation is even worse. Tesla sales plunged more than 70% last month. Musk is even being accused of trying to meddle in German elections, further damaging the company's reputation in one of Europe's largest markets. Some German officials have openly criticized Musk, accusing him of attempting to sway political outcomes in favor of policies that benefit Tesla. The backlash has been swift, with some consumers actively boycotting Tesla vehicles in protest. Additionally, Germany's push toward homegrown EV production has made Tesla's position more precarious. European manufacturers like Volkswagen and BMW have been ramping up their electric vehicle production, offering strong competition to Tesla's models. The hostility toward Tesla isn't just playing out in sales figures. It's turning into real-world violence. Early Friday morning, 4 Tesla vehicles were set on fire in Berlin. Authorities are not ruling out a political motive, highlighting how deeply Tesla has become entangled in the political landscape. While no one has claimed responsibility for the attack, it underscores the growing resentment toward Musk and his company. For a brand that was once synonymous with innovation and the future of transportation, this shift in public perception is striking. Musk's increasingly outspoken political activism has made him a polarizing figure, and this is now impacting Tesla's ability to operate smoothly in certain regions. So, where does this leave Tesla? With trade tensions rising, political controversies mounting, and sales figures plummeting, the company faces one of its most challenging periods yet. Will Elon Musk navigate Tesla through these turbulent waters, or is the electric car giant in for a rough ride ahead? The company's future may hinge on how well it can balance its political entanglements with its business interests. Can Tesla regain the trust of its customers and investors? Or will these controversies continue to erode its standing in the global market? If Tesla wants to maintain its dominance, it may need to refocus on what made it successful in the first place: cutting-edge technology, innovation, and staying ahead of the competition rather than wading too deep into the political battlefield. One thing is for sure, the road ahead for Tesla will be anything but smooth. Stay tuned as we continue to track this developing story.